Hey guys, if you've been exploring AI tools for building apps and writing code, you've definitely heard the hype around Lovable and Cursor AI. Both are incredibly powerful, but they're designed for completely different workflows. So let's break down what each one actually does, and help you figure out which one fits your style. Let's start with Lovable, because it's one of the most exciting tools to hit the scene. Lovable isn't just an assistant, it's an AI app builder. You tell it what you want to build, and it generates entire project structures automatically. Front end, back end, components, routes, state management, styling. Everything appears instantly. It's like having an AI co-founder that builds your MVP for you. This makes Lovable perfect for people who want to ship fast. Startups, solo founders, product builders. Anyone who wants to turn an idea into a working app without writing every single file themselves. But there's a trade-off. Because Lovable handles so much of the architecture, you're often working with its interpretation of your vision. If you need extremely precise control or deep customization, you'll sometimes find yourself adjusting the generated code. Now, Cursor AI takes a completely different approach. Cursor isn't trying to build an entire app for you. Instead, it gives you an AI-powered IDE that actually helps you code better and faster. It's built on top of VS Code, but the AI is deeply integrated everywhere. You can rewrite files, refactor entire classes, generate new components, debug issues, browse your codebase, and even make multi-file edits through natural language prompts. Cursor's biggest strength is how context-aware it is. It doesn't just look at a single file. It understands your entire project, how files connect, and how changes affect everything else. It's like having a senior engineer pair programming with you 24/7. Pricing is simple. A free plan for basic use, $20 per month for Pro, and $40 per month for business plans. The catch? Cursor still requires you to be a developer. It won't magically build your whole app from scratch. You're still in control, just way faster. So, which one is better? If you're someone who wants to build apps quickly, create full-stack projects automatically, or get an MVP running without traditional coding, Lovable is an insane productivity boost. It handles the structure, the scaffolding, and the grunt work so you can focus on refining your idea. But if you're a developer who wants full control, real coding speed, and deep AI-assisted refactoring, Cursor AI is the better tool by a mile. It doesn't replace your workflow, it supercharges it. Here's the real bottom line. Choose Lovable if you want AI to build the app for you. Choose Cursor AI if you want AI to build the app with you. Both tools are powerful, but the right one depends on whether you're a builder who wants speed or a developer who wants control. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I compare the most talked about AI tools every week, and now I'm curious. Lovable or Cursor? Which one are you picking? Drop your choice in the comments.